Welcome back to Happy Place Cooking. Today I'm going to be making, I cannot say it, bleep, on a shingle. Yep, because that is what they used to call it. This is one of those poor man's meals. It's super simple, quite filling, and it even is pretty tasty. So I am going to show you today how to make beep on a shingle. I am starting with 1 pound of ground beef. This is lean ground beef. Unfortunately, because it's lean, I may not have enough grease in it. I may have to add some oil to it in order to finish up this recipe. I'm going to put this on a low to medium heat, and I'm going to heat this until it's completely browned. I'm still a little bit frozen in a couple of spots here. That's all right. That's why I have it on a lower heat. That way it can kind of thaw out as it's cooking. I didn't look up a recipe. I don't know exactly what is added. I'm doing this according to my own taste. So I'm going to use a little bit of minced garlic. I actually used a teaspoon. And I'm going to add that to the beef so that it can cook with the beef. I'm also adding a half a teaspoon of black pepper. And I am adding a half a teaspoon of salt. Just mix all that together. I can already see that I am not going to have enough grease in this, so I am going to go ahead and add some olive oil, probably about a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons, something in that area. My ground beef is nice and browned. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of flour and start mixing that together. It should become slightly pasty. Now, I'm going to start adding my milk. I have 2 cups of milk here, but I'm going to add this a little slowly. I'm not sure if I'll need all 2 cups, but I think I will. But I want to start out with a little bit so that I can stir, mix, try to keep all the lumps out. And it should stay pretty thick as you're adding your milk. You want it to be thick-ish. I've still got my heat on about a medium heat, and I'm going to leave it there. That way this can go ahead and thicken up as it heats up. While that gravy is finishing up, I am going to use my toaster and add, you can use whatever bread you want. My choice happens to be the Pepperidge Farm potato bread. It's really yummy. Oops, kind of didn't get that guy down in there. There, it's a little thicker, so there we go. That's better. And toast it to your desired brownness. And once that's done, we'll plate this up and show you what it looks like.
Thanks so much for watching. Happy eating!